Okay, so this is everything that I got, and oh my gosh, everything is too cute, like, oh my god. Okay, this is nice foam beads, so, okay, the jumbo pastel foam beads. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. These colors though, oh my god, look at these. These yellow ones. Okay, these are my favorite though. These are so pretty. Oh my god, I can't wait to use these in slime some. Yay. And these small ones, exactly the same, they're just small. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Oh my god, they're so cute. Look at these. And this is my make your own peanut slice collection. So I chose lime, grapefruit, strawberry, and lemon. And it comes in this super cute box, and it just says Kawaii Slime. Yeah. And these are the little peanut pieces. The heart containers are so cute too. They're full all the way. So pretty. This is so sizzly too. I just can't get over the sizzles. Oh my god. Amazing. That's the texture. It's like, oh my god. Do you see this though? It's like not even like clay. So like unique. Like I've never felt clay like this before. I can't wait to put it into slime. Ugh, it's too good. Definitely check out her shop. I think it's KawaiiSlimeCompany.com. So yeah, she has so much good stuff for like such a good price. So, like, anyways, we'll move on to the last thing. If you like spent a certain amount of money, then you would get to choose between like 5 mystery charms or a free slime. And I chose free slime, and she gave me 3, so that's amazing. So thank you. So I'm gonna try this one first. It looks like a foam. It's a little bit sticky, but that's fine because it's hot right now. Ooh. It's like, it was like a weird texture. It's like, it feels like there's like instant snow in there, but like, not really. Okay guys, it smells like sweet, like mixed berries. This one is a cloud slime, I can tell. It looks so cool. Oh my god. Is it like color changing or something? Like it's purple on the inside. That is so, oh my god, wait. What? Like, it's purple on the inside. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, I'm gonna try to fluff it up. It looks like fluffy, there's like no residue. It's not even wet. And if you poke it, there's like, doesn't even feel like there's snow. It's so fluffy. Oh, I love this one. Okay, this is like my favorite. Cloud are so good. It's like, there's like no residue, and it's so fluffy. Okay, the next one is this like glossy slime, it looks like. Oh my god, it's so thick. It's so thick. What? Oh, it smells like watermelon candy, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, it smells so good. Wait, this is like such a quickly glossy thick slime. I'm gonna add a little bit of activator. Maybe it'll get thicker. Do you see this gloss though? Oh wait, the camera's in focus. Okay. Look at that gloss. That's insane. And it smells like so good. It smells like, now it just smells like watermelon berry candies in here. Okay. This is so thick. Like I thought it'd be sticky because it's so hot out.